2015 Chrysler 200S V6. What we got done on it for you guys. It's got factory converters up there on the manifolds. Then there's two flex pipes right there. Then we took out the resonator and put a vibrant bottle muffler in its place right there. And then we also got a video of it straight piped, a different one. If you guys want to look that up too. There's the 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Then we cut that giant muffler off right there and did a Y pipe setup. This side, and we did a custom Y pipe on it, as you guys can see right there. This makes it look really beautiful, really pretty, as you guys can see right there. There's the Y pipe, there's the vibrant muffler. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. There's the gigantic muffler that was on it, and the resonator also. So we put the bottle muffler in the place of the resonator, and then also we took the muffler off right there. It comes single in the middle, then dual back out. That's why you have to put a Y pipe on it. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm glad we went with that. It smoothed it out. That damn rev limiter. Again. Sound decibels. Right at 100. It's not that loud, man. Wow. It should be louder than that, though.
Sounds good.
Maybe when you get on it, you know. Still sounds good though. It's really smooth. Vibrant. Chrysler 200. Vibrant muffler and rear muffler. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. He's gonna go sport mode. Let's see. There's the muffler resonator we cut off. Really good. You want smooth, you take that. You have to put a pipe.